Good day, everyone. Welcome to Exceptional Leadership with Edwin Isoboye. In this episode, we're going to be talking about leading by example. Leading by example. People follow what they see faster than they follow what they hear. People respond faster to what they see than what they hear. That's why the best way to communicate an information is not just to say it, is to live it, is to act it, is to do it, is to show it. In our first episode, we talked about who a leader is, and I defined a leader from my own definition as an individual whose thoughts, actions, and decisions influences the thoughts, actions, and decisions of several other persons. People will naturally follow the leader that does what he says, not just the leader that talks what he wants or that says what he wants. When you understand that leadership is all about teamwork, leadership is all about partnership, leadership is not about a superior relating with an inferior. It's all about different people relating at different levels. That a man occupies a position today doesn't make him superior over those below that position. It only gives him a responsibility that the other ones do not have. That's what leadership is all about. People will follow the leader that leads by example. If you want men to move, don't sit down and shout move. Stand up and take the first step. And you discover that by the time you say move, everybody will be behind you. But if you sit down there and shout move, you may get people to move sluggishly. Some person may not even move. Because people will feel that you're just trying to send them something that you would not do yourself. So leadership is all about influence. And the best way to influence people to do anything is to become the example of that which you want them to do. If you want your colleagues, your workers to come early for work, adjust your program to make sure you get to the office very early. If you want people to act in a manner, make sure you discipline yourself to do that. Your example becomes the reason why everybody should follow your instruction. People will follow the man's instruction whose example they've seen and they're willing to follow. So leadership should not be just by instruction. Leadership should be by example. Lead people by example. Show them what you want them to do. Show them how you want it to be done. And let the people do what they've seen. They will naturally do it without struggle. But if you tell people what they should do and you do nothing about it, or you're not even interested in being a part of what you've instructed them to do, you discover that after the instruction, the people may not act the way you want. So leadership should be by example. Anything you want people to do, be willing to do it. The exceptional leader develops himself to that point that his lifestyle becomes the message he will preach. When your instructions are in line with your actions, you will naturally get the commitment of those in your team. But when your instructions is opposite to your actions, you will discover that you raise up a group of followers that are dishonest, a group of followers that are not committed, that are not loyal, and that are unhappy. So true leadership should be by example. Lead men the way you would lead yourself. It takes self-discipline to command discipline in the lives of others. When people see that the man that is on top, our leader, is disciplined, they will naturally discipline themselves to follow the leader. So leadership should be by example, not just by instruction. Get men to do what you want them to do by doing it first. You will naturally enjoy good followership when you become a part of the team, when you see yourself as a part of the team and not just as the instructor of the team. Until I come again your way again next time, lead by example. Remember that every one of us has the potentials for leadership. Keep developing your leadership potentials. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.